You steady cutting up. Worried about these other bitches, got you really fucking up. Whoa.
Hello my beautiful babies and welcome to my YouTube channel. I tried to make myself a Bratz doll. This Bratz doll in specific. And I'm not sure if I nailed it or not. I probably didn't. But if you want to see how, I don't know, just watch the video already.
Wanna be queen, you gotta get them, win a team. They wanna see Tokyo, wanna meet Tokyo. Loving all my hoes, love me, and the show.
So the first thing that I want to do, pulls up sleeve, I need to like make these eyebrows go away.
Being shy, voice up being shy. Look me in my eyes, look me in my eyes. You wanna roll the dice, I can be your prize. Boy you fly, boy you mean, I love your face, yeah, it's so clean. Got your face, now that's a dream.
To blend it, I'm gonna use one of these makeup sponges because I don't want to mess up my beauty blender.
Yes, I know my nigga, I'm a ceiling.
I think I should get started on my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna do a cut crease. So I have my base. And I'm trying to do my makeup differently because I feel like the way I've been doing it is not right. So I'm gonna try it a different way and see if that helps anything. Usually I set my concealer or my base before I go in with like anything. It usually doesn't work out that well. So I'm gonna try to do it a different way. I'm gonna try to leave it tacky. We're gonna start off with a tan on the crease or above the crease.
Ain't no ready for the savagery. Let your girl take my.
And then I'm gonna go in with a brown.
If you're gonna do it, then it can't be a dub. TLC don't want no scrub. Can't be a rich bitch.
With a darker brown. I'm gonna work that deeper into my crease.
Go high like guy. Do us all shit, well, yeah, I might. Tell me what you like. Tell me if
But you gotta make sure your colors are blended.
you like. Tell me if you like it. Tell me what you like. Tell me if you like it. Tell me what you like. Tell me if you.
Oops.
Tell me what you.
I gotta be careful not to blink too hard now.
Voice up being shy. Voice up being shy. Look me in my eyes. Look me in my eyes.
Fix my crease.
Boy you fly. Boy
I'm
you.
gonna take the palest shade that I can find. I'm gonna pack that.
That's a dream. If you walk and make a thing. Got that juice. You got that sauce. Shoot your shot at it's your love. Yes I know my nigga.
Here goes nothing. I'm scared.
Nigga, wanna bet I'm better than your ex. I can cook you ex, even bring it to your bed. You know I get that fucking bread. Boy, be nice so you can let. Leave you scratching in your head. Gonna wanna plan ahead. I'm the greatest.
And yes, I know my foundation is too light for me. I just haven't gone to the store and gotten my shade yet. These are just backups I had.
Tell me what you like. Tell me if you like it. Tell me what you like. Tell me if you like it. Hop on a beat, my voice be sweet. Cute little thing with a cap on the teeth. I ain't even count my calories. Lace on the wall like a gallery. Hoes be sick, got allergies. Got good skin like battery. Ain't no ready for the savagery. Let your girl take my bellow G. Shit it up, shit it up, shit it up. That don't mean cause shit up the club. If you're gonna do it, then it can't be a dub. TLC don't want no scrub. Can't be rich in life. If you got goals, that shit's alright. Tryna get a nigga real high like guy. Do us all shit, well, yeah, I might. Tell me what you like.
Now it's time to
Set that face. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you like. Voice up being shy. Voice up being shy. Look me in my eyes. Look me in my eyes.
Now she has on like a red lip, like a glossy lip, a red glossy lip. I don't know about all that. And I'm gonna overline my lips.
Got that juice, you got that sauce. Shoot your shot at it's your love. Yes I know my nigga. I'm a
And I think I'm gonna leave this matte for the most part.
your ex. I can cook you ex.
I definitely look like a Bratz doll now. Alright, so I'm gonna pull these baby hairs, like my baby hairs, so this way it can look a little more realistic.
My eyes, look me in my eyes. You wanna roll the dice, I can be your prize. Boy you fly, boy you
And finesse some shit.
it's so clean. Got your face, now that's a dream. If you walk and make a thing. Got that juice, you got that sauce. Shoot your.
This is as good as it's gonna get.
Yes I know my nigga. I'm a ceiling nigga. Wanna bet I'm better than your ex. I can cook you.
That the wig looks somewhat believable. Well, not believable, but a little more real. Probably should have contoured a little slimmer, because you know them brass noses is snatched. And just very like thinly, just like draw a line down.
Tell me if you like it. Tell me what you like.
A little bit of brow bone highlighting.
My voice be sweet, cute little thing with a cap on the teeth. I ain't even count my calories. Things on the wall like a gallery. Hoes be stick got allergies.
But I guess if I'm a toy, I have to be a little luminous. So it makes sense.
Shit it up, shit it up, shit it up.
I think I'm done. Well, I'll be right back. So this is my final look. I look weird. I don't even look like a brat, but whatever. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.